What's up guys, welcome to a new vlog. Ray here, excited to bring to you a new video. I am so excited, I'm buzzing. I thought, you know what, I could not wait until the day of tomorrow, but I wanted to quickly show you a quick unboxing of this lovely package. I just got in the mail an iPhone 15 Pro Max, and you know what, I've been buzzing. I've been using, this one I'm using right now is the iPhone 12 Pro. I've had it for a few years now, and I quickly tend to change my phones like every 2 or 3 years, but it's been like probably 2 or 3 years, and we're at iPhone 15 now, and I decided, you know what, I need to change my phone. Updates, resolutions are totally different comparing to the new ones. So getting into the iPhone 15, I decided, you know what, I'm gonna go 15 Max and try that one out. So it came in the mail today and I couldn't wait until tomorrow, so I decided, you know what, a quick unboxing with you guys. But before we do that, guys, you already know, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Ouch, just hit my hand on my stool. All right, subscribe to the channel. I'm so excited. Let's get into this. So I got this in the mail today, and they just delivered it like 10 minutes ago. And you know what, I went ahead and got my knife with me and just set up this camera quickly to show you guys. I'm gonna quickly open it up, and yeah, let's see what's inside this lovely box. And I'm gonna drop the knife. Go ahead and just tear this off. Let's see what's inside here. Oh my god, the iPhone 15 is here. I am buzzing! Alright. This has been... I actually ordered it a few months ago, and yeah, it just got delivered. Oh my god, look at that. So I'm going to put this on the side, the box as usual, throw it on the side. So this is the iPhone 15 Pro Max. I am buzzing, look at that. So you got the box here, iPhone, and you got the iPhone here. This is the back. I'm going to quickly just tear this off. There we go, iPhone 15 Pro Max. I don't know if you can see that. All right, I'm gonna quickly open it up on the down. There we go. Here we go, guys. Bum, 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 bum. So this is the box, and this is the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Here we go. Oh my God, I am buzzing. So we got the phone here, and I'm gonna quickly just, I love this sound, this is so amazing. Bam, here we go. So in the box, let's put the phone on the side. In the box, it just comes with like a small like braided cable, USB-C, of course. This is also an upgrade from what I'm using right now. And so we got the USB-C cable now, and what else in the box? We got some paperwork in here, and just like a pin and a few paperwork. So we're gonna put that one back in there, put one back in here. And guys, you know what? The main event is on the other side, is this. So I'm gonna quickly try this and turn it on and set it all up. But yeah, guys, this is the iPhone 15 Pro Max. I couldn't wait to show you guys. All right, catch you on the next one. Don't forget, big kind to another. Peace.